Hello 10th standard, coming back today for another session of simultaneous equations, substitution method. Substitution method is the most important method in this chapter, इसलिए मैं दो तीन sum ले रहा हूँ. Yesterday I took one problem, today I am taking one more sum. This was also asked in the board exam. Exercise 1.4, problem number 4. देखते हैं problem क्या है. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4 first equation. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y equal to 1 by 8 second equation. दोनों simultaneously solve करने हैं. How is it different from the rest of the chapter? Yesterday we saw when x and y are in the denominator, तब substitution करना है. Okay, but before we make the substitution, whatever constant is present in front of 1 upon 3x plus y, उसको बाजू को रखो. Whatever constant is present in front of 1 upon 3x minus y, उसको बाजू को रखो. Let us do that exactly as we did yesterday. Right? So let us see. Equation, if you say equation 1 में there is no constant in front. बाजू को रखने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. There is no, except for 1, there is no other number like 3 or 4. तो equation 1 को कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Already it is 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x minus y. Leave it, छोड़ दो उसे. Equation 2 में 1 upon 3x plus y के सामने constant कौन सा है जरा सोचो. Which constant can you see? Don't say 2. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the constant present in front of 1 upon 3x plus y. Constants बाजू को रखो before making the substitution. Equation 1 को छोड़ दो, सामने कुछ नहीं है constant. Leave it. Equation 2, 1 by 2 constant separate रखो into 1 upon 3x plus y. 1 upon 2 constant बाजू को रखो into 1 upon 3x minus y. That should be done. In yesterday's problem, in both the equations, constants were kept aside. But over here, only for equation 2, because equation 1 does not have a constant in front. Okay. अभी ये होने के बाद check करो. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 3x plus y is 2 into 3x plus y. We are not changing the problem, सिर्फ rearrange किया. अभी rearrange क्यों किया yesterday देखा है, so that we can make a substitution. The purpose of writing all this is so that we can make a substitution. Now what is the substitution? You can see here. अभी जो repeat हुआ है उसको substitute करो. क्या repeat हो गए? 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y. This bracket and this bracket is repeated in both the equations. So naturally, what is our substitution? Let 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m, 1 upon 3x minus y equal to n. यहाँ पे ऐसा मत करो कि 3x plus y equal to m नहीं, 1 upon 3x plus y जो सेपरेट करते हैं 1 upon आता है. So 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m, 1 upon 3x minus y equal to n. Okay, so don't make that silly mistake. So after making the substitutions, equation 1 becomes, देखो अभी equation 1 क्या है, I'll show it over there. 1 upon 3x plus y is m. So इसके जगह m आ गया. 1 upon 3x minus y equal to n. इसके जगह n आ गया. So equation क्या मिल गई है? m plus n equal to 3 by 4. देखो m plus n equal to 3 by 4. After making the substitution, equation क्या मिल गई है? m plus n equal to 3 by 4. Make the substitution now. Same substitutions. Okay? Same substitutions in equation 2 now. अभी equation 2 में क्या है देखो. 1 upon 2. गलती क्या हो सकती है? सिली मिस्टेक. यहां पे m लिखते हो, that is wrong. denominator mein we don't want variables in the denominator, we want them in the numerator. That is the whole purpose behind this. So don't do that. See this equation. This is simpler. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y is m. Minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x minus y is n. That is the reason that I have written 1 upon 2 into m minus 1 upon 2 into n equal to 1 by 8. Equation 2 mein, this is m and this is n. 1 into m by 2 means 1 into m is m upon 2 minus n upon 2 equal to 1 by 8. Variables have come in the numerator, no need to worry. How to solve we'll see later on. Equation 4. So equation 1 has got converted into equation 3. Equation 2 has got converted into equation 4. But be careful of this 1 by 2 is a constant which is there in front और m ऊपर है. Similarly 1 by 2 n ऊपर है. So m by 2 minus n by 2 equal to 1 by 8. We have to solve these two equations simultaneously. अभी simultaneous equations में remember whenever we get fractions like this, you have to remove the denominator. Denominator नहीं चाहिए. You have to remove the denominator. So how will you remove the denominator? Simple. We want to remove 4 from here. So multiply equation 3 by 4. यहाँ से 4 remove करना है ना. सब जगह पे 4 से multiply करना है. Then only 4 will be removed. So check out. 4m plus 4n. 4 into m plus 4 into n is equal to 4 into 3 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. 4m plus 4n equal to 3. यहाँ से 4 चला गया. The work is done. Equation 4 में आओ. For equation 4, there are 3 numbers in the denominator which we have to remove. Which is the biggest number? 8. So multiply equation 4 by 8. Automatically 8 will also get removed, 2 will also get removed. So multiply equation 4 by 8. देखो 8 into m by 2 minus 8 into n by 2, 8 into 1 by 8. Multiply each term by 8 because we have to remove 8 and automatically because it is the bigger number 2 will also get cancelled because 2 4s are 8 as you can see here. देखो 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 8 8 चला गया. So what do you get? 4m minus 4n equal to 1. 4m minus 4n equal to 1. Simple. From both the equations, fractions are removed. So after the fractions are removed, now we can solve both the equations. How do you solve both the equations? Very simple. Plus 4na minus 4na, you don't have to change the signs. When we don't have to change the signs, you just add both the equations. When you add both the equations, add equations 5 and 6. When you add both the equations, you don't have to change the signs. Just write both the equations one below the other without changing the sign. When you have to subtract one equation from the other equation, it means you have to change the signs of that equation, like we did the other day. So adding equations 5 and 6, just write them as they are, वैसे ही लिखो, because directly plus 4n minus 4n gets cancelled. 4 plus 4 8m, 3 plus 1 4. 8m equal to 4. M equal to 4 upon 8, m equal to 1 by 2. 8 goes in the denominator without changing the sign. So m equal to 1 by 2 is one answer. First we'll get the values of m and n. Now put m equal to 1 by 2 in equation 4 or 5, whatever you want. सॉरी 5 और 6 इसमें से कौन सी भी इक्वेशन चूज करो, सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ m to get the value of m, to get the value of n. So m equal to 1 by 2, put m equal to 1 by 2 in equation 5. So 4 into 1 by 2, m की value 1 by 2 here, it is like this, 4 into 1 by 2, which I have written over here, clear, that is 4n, plus 4n equal to 3. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 1, 2 remains. So what do you get? 4n equal to 3 minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 goes on the other side. 4n equal to 3 minus 2. 4n equal to 1 or n equal to 1 by 4. दोनों वैल्यूज मिल गए, आंसर लिख के डोंट गो टू द नेक्स्ट सम. m equal to 1 by 2 and n equal to 1 by 4 is not the answer. Remember, substitution method, it is slightly lengthy. M and n is not the answer because you have to resubstitute the values. Yesterday we saw, after getting m and n, you have to resubstitute the values. So what is the value of m? 1 upon 3x plus y. m equal to 1 by 2 आंसर है, n equal to 1 by 4 आंसर है. I am first substituting for m 1 upon 3x plus y equal to 1 by 2 चाहिए यहाँ पे, right? यहाँ पे substitute किया. Value of n is 1 upon 3x minus y. 1 upon 3x minus y is 1 by 4 here. So I have substituted the values here and here. Resubstituted rather. Now use invertendo. Invertendo means reciprocal लेना है. When in both the terms you have 1 upon and 1 upon, उसको invert करना है. Ratio proportion. When you invert the terms, naturally 3x plus y comes above, 2 comes above. 3x minus y comes above, 4 comes above. So you get finally 3x plus y equal to 2 and 3x minus y equal to 4. नए दो equations मिल गए. Don't worry, but these are simple equations. Finally, we want to find out the values of x and y. So you got plus y here, minus y here. So adding equations 7 and 8. You just have to add equations 7 and 8 to get the answer. So the last two steps, try solving. Adding equations 7 and 8. दोनों ऐड करो इक्वेशंस. Get the value of x. We got the value of x first. Now try and get the value of y. So put x equal to 1. Now forget about the other equations. अभी x और y चाहिए. So put x equal to 1 in equation 7. So write equation 7. Put x equal to 1 over there. 3 into 1 is 3. That's our answer. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. So as you can see, substitution sums are important. You have to keep the constants aside, then make the substitution. Substitution करने के बाद you have to solve both the equations to get the values of m and n, and then don't forget to resubstitute again to get the final answer. Correct? So practice this sum also, practice yesterday's sum also. Both were of substitution method. We'll take one more sum from the problem set tomorrow. Okay? So आज practice करो. We'll stop here today. Good day. Bye. See you tomorrow.